Hi there again, Pathrise. My name again is Dr. Kirian Onway. And yes, I am a doctor. I did graduate from medical school. I practiced for a short while in Poland and the UK for before tragedy hit. So, so a little bit more about me. Uh, Now, I am very analytical. I have a bit of background in software development. However, that's not the majority of where my skills lie. I do better work in infrastructure, um, managing and making sure things run smoothly, while I let the artistic types do the beautiful work. My job, um, my jobs have always been more of the animal. So I studied at Baylor University. I studied uh, bioinformatics. It's a mixture of biology along with computer science. Again, this is just because I really enjoy the analytical, data-driven kind of work. Um, Now, right before graduating from there, I got an offer to go out to Poland to learn Polish and, of course, learn medicine and become a doctor for them, which I did. Um, I lived there for about 7 years. After after living there, of course, medical school for 6 years, and then of course practice for a year. After that, I came back to the United States. These family issues kept me from continuing to practice here, but I was able to kind of get back uh, into the other half of my degree, which of course is the computer science facet of it. Um, Now I'm very interested in things like artificial intelligence, big language models, development, of course, software development. Those are all very interesting. But more than that, I'm interested in the infrastructure of these things, like how to build them, how to make them happen. Um, so I studied with Edureka at Purdue for my DevOps certificate. Um, that's that allowed me to actually get a hands-on trial with things like I said, like Ansible, Git, which I've touched Git before, but I didn't get as deeply as I got into it once I started learning the actual ins and outs of DevOps. Also, of course, like I said, Kubernetes. There's Docker, um, um, Prometheus, Nagios. All the good stuff, and I got to learn that here. I can never repay them enough as far as compliments goes. Now I would love very much to start using these skills. It just makes absolute sense. So beyond the initial project that I mentioned in my video about the proof of my qualifications of how what I've done, I haven't had another opportunity except like in a personal setting to actually get my hands dirty with building infrastructure, and I keep doing it over and over again. So I'm pretty sure I know how to do it. It's just I would love to actually see myself put under the test, um, and see how well I'll strive with that. The Pathrise, this will be the first organization that I reached out to where I may end up having to pay you guys a little bit for the job, which I don't mind if I can get started in the work that I'm very interested in. I know that I have a personality that I'm enjoyable. I can talk to people, any kind of person, even about deeply data driven kind of work. I gotta make it make sense and maybe seem a little bit of fun. I think I'm pretty good at that. I'm a born teacher. Um, what I want from Pathrise is just a opportunity, yeah? The chance to show that I know what I'm doing and to you know do what I can show to any organization that is in need of someone who so an engineer that can steer their infrastructure in such a way that downtime becomes less of a certainty, um, and just something that we can control a lot better. Yeah? All right, I'm getting over 5 minutes. So thank you. I hope you guys have a great day.